What's up, guys? I'm thinking of getting a pet. We're now at Petco. You guys comment down what I should get in the comments. I don't know what I could get. Whatever gets the most comments and by the family decision wins. Hope and a parakeet. These parakeets, fishes, hamsters, rats, and so many more are options. They make a lot of noise, but they're so cute. It's a cocktail. These are so cute. Look at them cleaning themselves. Aww. Now guys, we're gonna see some really cute lizards. Here's a leopard gecko. And here is a bearded dragon. Wow. And here's our premium bearded dragons. There's chameleon. And guys, there's chameleons. Chameleons are also one of the options. Wow. I wasn't expecting to find a chameleon around here. And guys, there might be some kind of animal. It might be a gerbil. And here are hamsters. God, there are 3 clumped in here. We'll zoom in the camera. Yeah. And there's one near the water fountain. Wow, they're clumped in the corner. And one's climbing on the air freshener. So is another. Come on, guys, let's go to the next animal. This thing is a tank of a Cyprinus carpio and a Carassius aurosa over there. And this is a giant school of Carassius artus and Pimphes promulus. And this is a male butterfly fish. Look at it swimming. Look at it wiggling. Wow. And guys, here are 2 yo-yo loaches. Look at them squiggling and wiggling so quickly. And guys, there's these blue frogs, which I have no idea what they're called. And yeah.